This will be my first flight, so I hope that everybody will have a very good flight. I will try to do my best to fly well. I'm expecting typhoons, lots of typhoons today. So I hope that you have a very enjoyable flight. Okay, here we go. Okay, starting the airplane now. Vroom, vroom. Okay, here we go. Taking off. Okay, flying very high now. Okay, oh, we have not jumping off everyone. Everybody, oh! If you look up to your left, you can see the wonderful Taiwan city. Everyone, how very exciting. Okay, now we'll fly a little bit higher. I think, looking at my instrument, I think we have a typhoon coming. Oh no! But we are okay, don't you worry. I will take care of everything. Now that we are flying very high, everybody must be getting very hungry. So lovely flight attendants will be coming to you. Please enjoy your food and drink. And if you need to poop, there are toilets.